Did you know there are scream-like sounds in space? Even though there's no air in space and sound can't travel, some radio waves from black holes, stars, or planets can be converted into audible sounds. NASA has translated these signals, and the result is unsettling. The sound from the black hole in the Perseus galaxy, for example, sounds like a deep, unsettling scream that traveled billions of light years. It's not science fiction, it's the real sound of the universe. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more interesting facts.